walk around. All right, so this is the free wood pile right here. How are you?
Coming from wood.
Yes, yes. Do-do-do-do-do. So this is the free wood pile, you all. All kind of free wood. All kind of free wood. Guys are nice enough. Over there, they gave me some sawdust one time. But this is the wood pile. All free. Look at the ones with the pretty designs on it. You could come out here and make anything, get anything. Dry it out, have your bonfires. Like anything you need, everything is right here. Free wood pile, you all. Unlimited, year round. Look at this one. They're out here. Very nice people. Very nice people, you all. I've came here several times and they really helped me out. Yep. Free wood pile. It's nice. It'll be nice if there's the wood coming in right there, you all. Perfect timing. How awesome is that?